Welcome to PointWise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. This is the second part of a two-part video where we show you the different cell types options that you have available when you run the 3D T-Rex algorithm. We have in front of you the same very simple unstructured block that we used before in our previous video, which is, by the way, linked in the description, and I'm going to go to the T-Rex tab. As we did in the previous video, we're looking at the options in the cell types frame. Some of the options, like for example the tests and surface pyramids and the standard option and the reduced pyramids option, they have been already reviewed in the previous video. Again, that is linked in the description. We're going to be taking a look at this option right here, which is the convert wall domains. So if you choose this option, what the algorithm is going to do is generate those anisotropic tetrahedral cells, combine them as much as possible into prisms and hexahedral cells. But it's going to go one step further. It's going to push that combination effect onto the wall domain. As you can see, our wall domain right here is composed of only triangular cells. So let's go ahead and initialize this block to see what happens. Pay close attention to that wall domain. As you can see, and I'm going to get a little bit closer, the algorithm run, and you can see that it combines those anisotropic tetrahedral cells as much as possible. We have nice stacks of hexahedral cells shown in blue, nice stacks of prism cells shown in green, but also you can see that now your wall domain is a combination of quadrilateral cells and triangular cells. And that is the effect you get with this particular option, which is the convert wall domains. The last option that I want to show you in this video is the legacy option. The workflow of the algorithm when you choose this option is very similar to the workflow that you get for the standard option. The only difference is internal. When the legacy option is chosen internally, PointWise is going to understand quadrilateral cells on surface domains as a combination of 4 triangles instead of 2. This option is here for compatibility reasons with older versions of the software. If I initialize the block again, you can see that you're going to get a very similar result as you get with the usual standard option. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.